Hello Pankaj, I really admire your intellect and respect you for the way you mentored me, even though we've known each other for a very short time. May you achieve great success in life. All the best.
So you are the perfect definition of the word leader, because you bring the best in a person. You know how to groom up a person and bring the best in him.
Hi Pankaj, you were a good mentor. Nice working with you. We'll miss you. Bye. These 3 words describe you. Fabulous.
Supporting.
Excellent. All the best.
There are many qualities that I admire in Pankaj. Firstly, he shows a lot of empathy towards his subordinates. He gives everybody a very patient listening. From him, I learned to be persistent in all my efforts and to be more understanding and to never back out of any difficult situation.
Hello Pankaj sir, it was indeed a pleasure working with you. More than an employee, you are like a friend to us, to guide us through every step of our life. Thank you for being there always. All the best.
Pankaj, you are my first one. It was very nice working with you. We will miss you a lot.
Hi Pankaj, you have been more to us like a teacher rather than a project leader who has guided us, shown us the right path, and thanks for bearing us. All the best for your future.
Sarji, bas kya? Itna jaldi na kare the We miss the long chats with you. We miss the breakfast and lunch timings with you. Fabulous working with you. You're such a people's person. We would love to work with you. And you are awesome. And you are simply awesome.
जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ बर्बाद करे अल्फाज में। हाँ, लेकिन ये एक चीज मैं बोलना चाहूंगा कि जो किसी ने नहीं बोली, यू आर द ट्रू रॉक स्टार ऑफ कोर POI. यू रॉक. Yeah.
Hey Pankaj, we'll definitely miss all those knowledge sharing sessions and the scorecard game,
the chocolates, the countless jokes, man.
Exactly. We will definitely miss the valuable time we spent with you, and your presence will always be felt around.
Keep on winning more and more trophies, sir, and be always the person you are.
All the best for your future. It was really awesome working with you. लेकिन एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ, आपने IPC 1 की लड़कियों के सामने मेरा इंप्रेशन बड़ा खराब कर रखा है. अब मुझे जल्द से जल्द IPC 2 भागना पड़ेगा. Bye.
All the best for your future. Thank you.
Pankaj is the one who has guided me a lot, and he was very inspirational to me. Thanks for you, Pankaj, and all the best.
You are the best peer I have worked so far. We have learnt a lot from you.
Thank you for being with us throughout, and wish you all the best throughout your future. Thank you.
Very good.
Yeah, how do you describe Pankaj? Motivational, inspirational, fun-loving, smart, an ideal leader. Set a boss.
Hi Pankaj, thanks for inspiring me.
Hi Pankaj, thanks for grooming us, being there for us, and we'll definitely miss you and cherish the time spent with you. All the best.
Yeah.
As a gift, I would like to imitate like you. Like just keep your bag and then start like this. 2 घंटे लग गए यार, रिक्शा वाले ने 2 घंटे लगा दिए. All the best Pankaj. Take care.
Hi Pankaj, it was really nice working with you. All the best.
Up to the mark with the situation. He is always up to date. I found him very enthusiastic person. I wish him all the best for his future. All the best Pankaj.
Hey Pankaj, it was a good experience working with you. I really enjoyed it. You were very professional as well as very friendly with the team members. I'll really miss you here in the team. अभी भी सोचना अगर resignation वापस लेना है तो ले लो. We can take you back here. Okay. Anyways, all the best for wherever you go and stay in touch.
Just wish him all the best for his future endeavors, and may life always be with him as an individual what he is.
I think what I want to miss is my rides back home. The
fact that we discuss a lot about work and stuff which is about life and work and many other.
I think he's been the best friend that I have at Lantec. I can honestly say that. One of the best friends. There are others who...
Have you ever imagined me like Pankaj? We're really going to miss you, Pankaj.
You're so right, Suprita.
So how do we define Pankaj? He's more understanding, very talented. I was going to say that. Very humorous.
If you go to find him any hot looking corner of the country, you won't find him here like Pankaj. He's not too wordy, not too complex.